So Lauren R. asks, how do you build an apex with mood color changing polish? That is such a good question. And the reason why it is because with all the polishes coming out and stuff, it's really getting confusing. So the simple answer is, Lauren, you can't. You cannot build an apex with any gel polish. So the reason why she's asking this question, and I totally understand, this comes from the video that I did, mood color changing gel polish, if you want to catch the video. But the question comes up because, and this is why it's confusing, and I totally understand this, we have the introduction of BIAB, Builder Gel in a Bottle. The reason why it's put in a bottle, in a brush, because it's very relatable. When we put nail polish on, we all relate to that. We all been doing that since we're 10 years old, putting nail polish on, right? With a brush in a bottle. So when we do hard gels, they're stronger, they have a structure. When we do hybrid gels, they're stronger, they have a structure. So over the years, we've been putting gel polish on, and then we put Builder in a bottle, and that comes in the same bottle, but it's a Builder gel. So we have gel polish and Builder gel, two little separate bottles. They mean two very different things. Anything that's a gel polish, we never want to build with. But you go into your salon and you see that they get a bottle, looks like gel polish really, and they get it out and they put a little strength in it and they build it up. But that is a Builder in a bottle. So it's a very difference between BIAB and gel polish. So that's why this question is so important, is because they're confused when they go into a salon and they see they're just grabbing a bottle. I could probably do that with my mood-changing gel polish. I could probably do that with my gel polish. Well, you can't. The reason why you can't is two things. If you're building your gel polish up as an apex, which is what mood-changing polish would be, anything that's gel polish is simply a gel polish. There's no structure. There's no strength in it whatsoever. It's simply a color. It's meant to be applied thin. When you do it thicker, it won't cure. So then you've got now thick polish, gel polish, basically nail polish, but it's like gel polish, thicker on your nail that's not curing. It may come up as a bump and it may click like that and seem like it's cured, but it's not cured all the way through. Plus, it's falsely giving you a protection of thinking that it is strength, but it's not. If you're going to do that, you must use the polish that says Builder in a bottle. That is a more structured gel. I know they look the same, but it's more strength and it's more structure, and it will cure all the way through because it's designed to do that. Gel polish is not designed to cure at thicker layers, right? If you do them thinner and apply them, you can cure each one in between. But if you do one build-up, it won't cure at all. So it's not giving you any strength whatsoever. And sadly, it is uncured. So you're exposing yourself to possible allergies if you're sensitive to that. Not everybody's going to get them, but if you're sensitive to that particular ingredient that's in there, you could get the allergy. We don't want that either. So when you're getting your nails done, make sure you understand the difference between simply getting a color, which is a gel polish application, or you're getting some structure added to it. If they're building structure and building an apex, it must be a structured gel, Builder in a bottle, hard gel, acrylic of some sort, hybrid gel. It has to be something more structured like that. Don't let somebody put a gel polish in a building fashion on your nail, even if it's coming out of a bottle. Make sure it is a Builder in a bottle polish so that you know you're getting structure and you're not getting thick product on there that's not curing all the way through. I hope that helps explain it. Thank you so much, Lauren. That's a fantastic question. I hope that helps anybody else who's confused about what's going on out there. Saturday, December the 6th, I'm hosting a 4-hour live Zoom nail class. So if you want real interaction, real feedback, and real results, this is the small class learning experience you're looking for. Only 10 seats. Cozy up, log in, and let's learn together. Go to nailcareer.com or use the link below.